Good morning, students. How are you? Students, in my previous video, we have studied about some topics related conservation of plants and animals. Chapter 7, we have studied conservation of plants and animals. In my previous video, I have told you many topics related to this chapter like flora and fauna, endangered species, endemic species, and many topics related to this chapter we have studied like biosphere reserve, so today we will discuss about next topics of this chapter, conservation of plants and animals में जो टॉपिक्स हैं इंक्लूड होते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, national park we have studied about in previous video. Wildlife sanctuary, national park, ecosystem, red data book, migration, and some other topics we will talk about in today's video. So first of all, what is wildlife sanctuary? Wildlife sanctuary provide protection and suitable living conditions of to wild animals. Wildlife sanctuary provide protection and suitable conditions to animals. Got it? वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज प्रोवाइड करती हैं एनिमल्स को लिविंग कंडीशन और प्रोटेक्शन देती हैं. और वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी also allow to do certain activities such as grazing by their livestock, collecting medicinal plants, firewood, etc. So next we will study about today is national park. नेशनल पार्क क्या है? नेशनल पार्क, सतपुरा नेशनल पार्क, आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर. सतपुरा नेशनल पार्क, I have told you earlier, that is finest Indian teak is found in this park, in this forest, and there are more than 100 national parks in India. So Project Tiger was launched by government to protect the tigers in the country. Project Tiger in which this project is based on the protection of tigers, in which tigers are protected. This project is launched by government to protect the tigers. So what is endangered animals? Endangered animals क्या होते हैं? Endangered animals means animals which have diminished at some level. Endangered animals, endangered means जिनको डेंजर होता है, खतरा होता है. which have diminished, जो कम होते जाते हैं कुछ लेवल तक. which have diminished to a level, जो कुछ लेवल तक खत्म होते जाते हैं. means to say endangered animals are those animals which are diminished to a level that they might face extinction. Might face extinction. That are known as endangered animals, like dinosaur. ये आपको मैंने पहले बता दिया था, फिर मैं आपको ये चीज़ रिपीट कर रही हूँ. I will repeat it again that dinosaurs are endangered animals which are diminished to level might face extinction, जो extinct हो गए, लुप्त हो गए. And what is meant about ecosystem? Ecosystem क्या होता है? Ecosystem, that system which is made up of all plants, animals, and all the microbes and all the microbes. Microbes, plants and animals that are living in area along with non-living components. Non-living components like soil, air, climate, that make the ecosystem. Ecosystem इन सब से मिलके बनता है, in which plants, animals, microbes are living with non-living things like soil, air and climate, known as ecosystem. And next topic is red data book. Red data book क्या होती है? Red data book, it is a book that has keep the records, that has records of, जिसमें records होते हैं सभी endangered animals के. Endangered animals I have told you earlier in today's video. Endangered animals and plants a book that has records of, which keeps a record of all the endangered animals and plants. It is known as red data book. And next term is migration. Migration you have studied in previous classes, and I will tell you again कि what is migration. When animals or birds migrate, move from one place from one place to another place, from one place to another place for breeding, for breeding, for shelter, for breeding, shelter, they have to move. Migration किसे कहते हैं? When animals move from one place to another place in search of breeding, shelter, food. This process is known as migration, and these birds or animals are known as migratory birds. So I think you got it properly, these terms that I have told you earlier, or I have told you in today's video. Or next term is recycling of paper. Recycling of paper. पेपर को वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not waste the paper. We should save the paper. We should save the paper, I must say, because this is very costly. It is made up of wood, timber, so it is very costly. So recycling should be there. Recycling means इसको दोबारा से साइकिल किया जाता है, इसको दोबारा से तैयार किया जाता है. So trees को ना सिर्फ हमें सेव करना चाहिए, also save energy and water that needed for manufacturing paper. Needed for manufacturing paper. So many harmful chemicals, many harmful chemicals which are used in paper making will be reduced. Will be reduced. जो पेपर मेकिंग में हार्मफुल केमिकल्स यूज होते हैं उन्हें रिड्यूस करना चाहिए. वी शुड सेव द पेपर. वी शुड सेव द ट्रीज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेव द ट्रीज सो दैट वी, अगर हम ट्रीज को सेव करेंगे तभी हम अपने पेपर को हम ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं. पेपर तभी हमें मिलेंगे अगर हम ट्रीज को सेव कर सकते हैं. सो हमें पेपर फाड़ने, वी शुड नॉट टीयर द पेपर्स. वी शुड राइट बोथ ऑफ द साइड. वी शुड राइट बोथ साइड ऑफ द पेपर. बोथ साइड ऑफ द पेपर. हमें पेपर के दोनों साइड पे लिखना चाहिए. शुड नॉट टीयर द पेपर. हमें पेपर को फाड़ना नहीं चाहिए. शुड नॉट टीयर द पेपर. पेपर को फाड़ना नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड सेव द पेपर. Reforestation is the last term that we will study in today's video. Reforestation. Re means दोबारा and forestation means पेड़ उगाना. फिर से जब हम फॉरेस्टेशन करते हैं दैट इज नॉन एज रीफॉरेस्टेशन. तो प्लांटिंग ट्रीज, प्लांटिंग न्यू ट्रीज, प्लांटिंग न्यू ट्रीज नॉन एज रीफॉरेस्टेशन. तो planted trees should generally be same species which were found in the forest. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. जितने trees हम कट करते हैं should plant trees as we cut. जैसे हम कट करते हैं हमें प्लांट करने चाहिए ट्री. Natural reforestation, there is no rule of human being. So we have to retain our green wealth for future generation. We have to retain our green wealth. Green wealth means forest. We have to retain our green wealth so that we will obtain many things from it. So these are the main topics. So these are the main topics related to this chapter we have studied today or in my previous videos. So please read it, learn it carefully, and learn question answers carefully that I have sent you previous or in my today's PDF. Write down on your notebook in neat and clean handwriting and learn it properly. So thanks. Have a nice day.